Welcome to Dr. Lexi's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making a Mediterranean quinoa salad using the quinoa that we use in another video with orange juice. And a couple of things to note, I'm actually going to be cooking the vegetables because those who have sensitive stomachs, the cooked vegetables are a lot easier to digest. And then another note is that a lot of these ingredients are coming from my garden, so the kale, you could use a lot more kale. And then finally at the end you're going to see olives. I'm not actually going to add those because a lot of people don't like them, but it's definitely an option for you. Hope you enjoy.